as such.
As such, no doubt, such. Okay. Then we will do some reading of current affairs. Okay.
Yes, sir. We can do current affairs.
Yeah. I will show you. Please read this.
So, yes, sir. NPCI Bharat Bill Pay Limited has launched the NOCS platform to provide reconciliation and settlement services for transactions undertaken on the Open Network for Digital Commerce Network.
Open Network for Digital Commerce Network has launched NOCS platform. Okay, continue.
Around 10,000 kilometers of optic fiber cables infrastructures across India will be developed by National Highway Authority of India by the fiscal year 2025. PM Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of the different projects in the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. The new features in the e-Stam portal have been launched by Union Minister for Labour, Employment, Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Sri Bhupendra Yadav.
Sri Bhupendra Yadav. Bhupendra Yadav.
Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, as a precursor of World Malaria Day, has organized Asia Pacific Leaders Conference for Malaria Elimination in partnership with the Asia Pacific Leaders Malaria Alliance in New Delhi. The Ministry of Railways will start Puri Gangasagar Divya Kasi Yatra from Pune under Dekho Apna Desh and Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat scheme. The Rural Development Ministry has recently said that ULPIN has been adopted by 26 states and union territories so far.
What is ULPIN? 1 minute. What is ULPIN? Rural Development Ministry has recently said that ULPIN has been adopted. What is UL? You know what is ULPIN?
No, sir. I do not know abbreviation ULPIN.
Unique land and parcel identification number. Unique.
So for modernization of land records, I think.
Yeah. Unique land parcel and identification number. It is a 14-digit alphanumeric unique ID for each land parcel. This is the next step in the digital India land records. It takes time to browse. It takes time to come. So this is what it is. Please read this. NIC developed a unique
land parcel identification number launched in Bihar by Secretary Department of Land Resources, Government of India, and Additional Chief Secretary Revenue and Land Reforms, Government of Bihar. So ULPN PIN is a 14-digit alphanumeric unique ID for each land parcel. This is the next step in the Digital India Land Records Modernization Program, which began in 2008. The identification will be based on the longitude and latitude coordinates of the land parcel and is dependent on the detailed surveys and geo-referenced cadastral maps.
That's all. That's the thing. Yeah. Now what is it we were reading? We were reading from
current affairs.
Current affairs. Yeah. Now, are you seeing this on the screen? No. I think I was showing you current affairs. This one.
That one.
This one. Yeah. Bharat Airtel. Yeah.
Bharat Airtel has partnered with Secure Meters for deploying narrow band services that will power 1.3 million homes in Bihar through a smart meter solution.
Oh. Bharati Airtel has partnered with Secure Meters for deploying narrow band services that will power 1.3 million homes through a smart meter solution. You know what is the advantage of the smart meter? I think it is coming in Tamil Nadu also.
Yes, sir. It is coming in throughout India, I guess.
Yeah, throughout India. There is no need for anybody to come and visit our house for taking reading. And it will be automatic reading. It will be communicated to us through our cell phone or through email. And we have to pay every month. Continue.
Yes. India, which has sharpened its its focus on building its defense capabilities and strengthening military infrastructure along with China border was the fourth biggest military spender in the world in 2022 after the United States, China, and Russia.
Please read this again. India,
which has sharpened its focus on building its defense capabilities and strengthening military infrastructure along the China border, was the fourth biggest military spender in the world in 2022 after the United States, China, and Russia.
okay.
So Spain's Carlos Alcaraz defeated Greece Stefanos Tsitsipas and won the Barcelona's Open.
Hmm.
A new book, a resurgent.
What is that game? Is it tennis?
Tennis, is Barcelona Open tennis.
Yeah. A new book.
A new book, a resurgent Northeast narratives of change, launched.
Okay. Yeah.
The European Parliament has approved the world's first set of comprehensive rules to bring largely unregulated cryptocurrency markets under the ambit of regulation by the government authorities. Rajasthan Chief Minister Sri Ashok Gehlot inaugurated Mehengai Rahat camp at the Mahapura village of Sangir in Jaipur district, Rajasthan. Inox Air Products, India's largest manufacturer of industrial and medical gases, has commissioned a 21.3 megawatt megawatt power. Megawatt pixel. So in the last industrial and medical gases. Okay, some open access captive solar power plant at Bangarmau in Unnao, Uttar Pradesh. Information technology industry body, the National Association of Software and Service Companies, has appointed President and Chief Executive Officer of Microsoft India, Anant Maheshwari, as its chairperson for 2023 to 24.
Please read. Information technology.
I read that. Again, you have to read, sir. I read that one, sir. HDFC Bank stated the monetary authority of Singapore.
Please read it again. It's important news, sir.
Yes, sir. Information technology industry body, the National Association of Software and Service Companies, has appointed President and CEO of Microsoft India, Anant Maheshwari, as its chairperson for 2023 to 2024.
Anant Maheshwari. Continue.
Yes, sir. HDFC Bank stated that the Monetary Authority of Singapore has given approval for merger of HDFC Investment Limited and HDFC Holdings Limited with parent HDFC Limited. Hinduja Group, promoters of India's IndusLand Bank, have received in principle approval from the country's central bank, Reserve Bank of India, to increase their stake in IndusLand Bank.
I think Hindujas are also owners of Ashok Leyland. Owners of Ashok Leyland also. Good, very good. So
they're also promoters of IndusLand Bank.
Yeah. 1 minute. I think I have not given this yesterday. Just a minute. I will add this. I will add this on top of this so that we can read this also. This is 27. This is 27th. 27/04/2023. Yeah. Now we can read from here. You read, if it is a very important point, we will go through the news in detail. Otherwise, we will go through the headlines only. Okay, 1 minute.
Right.
Here, national news. From here only it starts. National news. Start.
India Pavilion at Global Education and Training Exhibition inaugurated at Dubai.
1 minute. Let me check up who has come now.
Only Soumya and me, sir.
Soumya is there. Both are Karnataka Bank only. Good. Yes. Akshay Mogan is joining. Akshay Mogan, I think he is for which interview? Akshay Mogan, yesterday only he joined, I remember. Maybe for Federal Bank. I'm not sure about it. Akshay Mogan, you have joined for which program? Which interview?
Sir, IDBI.
Oh, acha. IDBI Bank. Very good.
Yes, sir.
IDBI Bank. Good, very good. Please wait. Now, we will ask Soumya to read from here. Soumya, are you there with us now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Soumya, please read the headlines only of 27th April. Please read. India Pavilion.
Yes, sir. India Pavilion at Global Education and Training Exhibition inaugurated at Dubai.
Very good.
The study in the Indian.
No, you read this. International news, only headlines.
US state Pennsylvania recognized Diwali as a official state holiday. Pennsylvania, US state Pennsylvania recognized Diwali. Yes.
Very good. You can read twice the same headings. You read twice. That will be good. Yeah, continue.
Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, now a Navratna. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, now a Navratna.
Why don't you read this? This seems to be important news. Please read. The state-owned railway company.
The state-owned railway company, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, was in focus as the Indian government upgraded its status to a Navratna central public sector enterprise from a mini Ratna category. The decision to upgrade RVNL was approved by the Finance Minister and is set to take effect from April 26, 2023. RVNL is a mid-cap company under the Ministry of Railway with an annual turnover of rupees 19,381 crore and a net profit of rupees 1,087 crore for the year 21-22. This made it the 13th Ratna company among the CPSEs in India.
Good. Important days. International. Please read.
International Girls in ICT Day 27th April. International Girls in ICT Days 27th April.
Please read this point. International Girls.
International Girls in ICT Day is an annual event celebrated on the 4th Thursday of April to encourage and empower girls and young women to explore and pursue careers in the field of information and communication technology. This day helped to promote gender equality and diversity in the field of information and communication technology. It raises awareness among the gender gap in the tech industry and inspire women to consider career in ICT.
Good. Next.
Australia to host third in-person Quad Summit. The upcoming Quad Summit. Yes.
Very good. Next.
PM inaugurates 6th edition of One Earth, One Health.
Please read.
One Earth, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and addressed the One Earth, One Health Advantage Healthcare India 2023 conference.
Acha, you are very good. You are reading it fully. Continue. Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Yeah. You read from here. Advantage Healthcare India.
Advantage Healthcare India 2023 conference at Pragati Maidan in New Delhi via video conferencing. The conference was attended by health ministers from across the world as well as delegates from the West Asia, South Asian and African regions. In his address, PM Modi emphasized the importance of holistic healthcare and a healthy ecosystem for human well-being.
Yeah, please. These points are all important from your interview point of view also, because this is concerning Prime Minister and many other countries also. So if you can get some more ideas about it, try to collect them and then present it. Note, right from today, you should start writing in your notebook 5 news items. Every day, 5 news items you write and keep it ready for you in your mind. Soumya, please read.
Yes.
Pankaj.
Yes. Pankaj Singh elected unopposed as Cycling Federation President. Yes, sir.
Very good. Next.
Harihar Mishra take charge as CEO of Association of Asset Reconstruction Companies.
This is important. Please read. This is important. Please read.
Yes. Harihar Mishra has been appointed as the new CEO of the Association of Asset Reconstruction Company, ARCS. The ARCS are the voice of all asset reconstruction companies in India and has been active for over 8 years. Currently, there are 28 asset reconstruction companies registered with Reserve Bank of India. Actually,
this is a very tough question. This will be asked for people who have done MCOM and who have also done MBA finance and all. For them, this question can be asked, what is asset reconstruction company? How many asset reconstruction companies are there in our country? What is the advantage of asset reconstruction companies? Likewise, they can ask you. Continue. Ranks and reports. India climbs.
India climbed 6 spots to 38 in World Bank Logistic Performance Index 2023.
Okay, continue. Scheme.
Atal Pension Yojana surpassed 5.20 crore enrollments.
Read. In a recent report.
In a recent report, the number of people enrolled in Atal Pension Yojana has surpassed 5.20 crore as of March 31st, 2023. In the financial year 22-23, over 1.91 crore new subscribers joined the scheme, a growth of more than 20% compared to 99 lakh in the previous financial year. The scheme has accumulated assets under management of more than 27,200 crore and has yielded an investment return of 8.69% since its inception.
Inception.
Yes, sir, inception.
Inception का मतलब क्या है?
Since it started.
From the beginning.
Since it started.
From the beginning. Yeah. So now continue.
This surgeon, Dr. Raghu Ram, honored with Telugu Association of London Award.
Okay, continue.
Dalai Lama gets 1959 Ramon Magsaysay Award.
Raman Magsaysay Award.
Raman Magsaysay Award in person after 64 years.
Raman Magsaysay Awards are given by Philippines. And it seems this award was given to him the year 1959, and he has received it now only after 64 years. Who is Dalai Lama? Soumya?
It's a Tibetan
leader.
It's a Tibetan leader, correct. Yeah, continue.
Residing in India, sir.
Yeah, now he is residing in India only, correct. Soumya, PM to inaugurate.
Yes, sir. PM to inaugurate National Games in October, Goa CM.
Who is the Goa CM now?
Sir, Pramod Sawant. Sir, it is written here.
Very good, very good. Doesn't matter. No problem.
Yes.
Next, Odisha FC.
Odisha FC clinched Hero Super Cup 2023 with a 2-1 victory over Bengaluru FC.
Good. Continue.
Amitabh Ghosh's new non-fiction book Smoke and Ashes to release in July 2023.
Okay.
Ex-Odisha MP and third-time MLA Trilok Chand Kangu passed away.
Passes away.
Yes, sir, passes away.
Three-time MLA Trilochan Kanungo. Trilochan Kanungo. Next, veteran actor.
Veteran actor Mamu Koya passed away at the age of 76.
This is important for those who are appearing for Federal Bank because this is a news relating to Kerala. Good, that much is okay. Now, very nice. Now, what we will do now, we have only this boy, new boy, that is Akshay Mogan. Akshay Mogan. Yeah, Akshay Mogan. Which college are you studying?
Sir, I'm studying at School of Management Studies in Cochin University.
Yeah. What after doing what are you studying this MBA?
Sir, I completed my mechanical engineering graduation in the year 2018, and after that, I worked for 1.5 years as a mechanical site engineer at an industry called Cochin Shipyard Limited. And after that, in the year 2021, I got admission in School of Management Studies QSAT to do my MBA.
Good, very good, very good. So now you are appearing for IDBI. What is the name of that program?
Sir, IDBI this is for assistant manager.
Achha, you have to join some MBA program again in Mangaluru, na?
No, sir.
Hmm.
Actually, like this is like after like this is our final year of our like the fourth semester of our MBA, and like this is the placement, and after that we are allowed as like management trainee, and eventually like after a year's time we will be promoted as assistant manager.
Acha, acha, acha.
So
No,
that's
there is no need for you to go to Mangaluru for again study, correct?
yes, no need.
No need for going to Mangaluru for
So I guess
study.
Mangalore.
it is Manipal course, not Mangalore course.
Sir, sorry, Manipal. It is not Manipal course. You don't have Manipal course for the. Do you have Manipal course for you? No, in this, no. Because you are taken under campus recruitment. So isme nahi aayega. Good. Yeah. Could you get in touch with your placement representative or not? No. Akshay Mogan?
No, sir. Actually, no, sir. I wasn't able to, sir. Actually, our placements are happening. Like a few companies have come to our college, so the placement team was actually kind of busy with it. Even today, we had placements happening in our college, so
Okay, no
we'll
problem.
talk to them.
No problem. Thank you. Good. Now, we have Soumya and also our Vyas. Soumya, Vyas, you can ask question to another person. Soumya will ask question to Vyas. Vyas will ask question to Soumya, and let us see how the discussion goes on. Please ask. Imagine you are you are playing both the roles. First 5 minutes, Soumya will be conducting interview for Vyas. Next 5 minutes, Vyas will be conducting interviews for Soumya. Is it clear for you now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I suggest you can take about 5 minutes time for preparing which questions would you like to ask by being sure about the data and answer. And of course, in your case, the interview will be based on Karnataka Bank, based on banking, based on current affairs, based on personality development. Do you follow? Based on so many days, you have been with me for the last 20 days or so. So by now, you must be in a position to know what type of questions can be put to you. I will give you 5 minutes time. Please relax. In the meantime, I will be talking to Akshay Mogan. You can switch off your speaker also for 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes. Once you are ready, you can tell me, sir, you can send a message, sir, I'm ready for asking questions. Soumya will be ready. You will ask questions. In the meantime, you also please get ready, Vyas. Okay. Understand the background of the candidate. Soumya is MCOM student and Vyas is what some geonomics, some geography. What is that? What is your study, Vyas?
Genomics.
Geonomics.
Genetics, you can have it as genetics.
Genetics. That is something to do with bio, correct?
Genes. Yeah, yes, sir. Biotech.
Biotech, something to do with biotech. Soumya, remember this. Accordingly, prepare for questions. Now I will talk to Akshay Mogan. Akshay Mogan, have I sent you the link for materials?
Yes, sir.
Good.
I got it.
Yeah, very good. So 1 minute. This is the material I have sent you. Mr. Akshay Mogan.
Yes, sir.
Did you see the materials I have given you?
Yes, sir. I've actually gone through a few. Like I went through the economics part.
Yeah. But I will tell you which are all very important now. First,
yes,
I consider this to be very important. But not this one. Bankers, this is also important. Not that this is unimportant, but this is Bankers Adda 2021. Bankers Adda. This is also important, but there is one more material. Bankers Adda. It must be there in another material. I will give it to you. 1 minute. Hold on. Hold on. Karnataka Bank FIVO folder. This folder. Just a minute. I'm just gaining time. Yeah, correct. I'm giving you this. This is not coming here. Correct. This is not useful for us. Now let me go into this one, my files. Let me find out IBPS RRB PO interview. Here, let me tell you, Bankers Adda interview. This is a very good book. This book I want you to have. What I am going to do,
Okay, sir.
I will now transfer it to, I will copy it to my files IDBI 2023 IDBI, this page. I will copy it. Yes. Now I have copied it here. This material I want you to read, Mr. Akshay Mogan. Akshay Mogan, you must
sir.
try to bring 1 or 2 more boys to this class. See, I know you are rather selfish. You don't want others to know about what we are doing. But instead, if you bring, possibly it will enable us to study for longer time, and it may help you improve your knowledge also. Please try. And I give this as a challenge for you to get marketing skills. We are becoming a bank officer. Tomorrow, you must convince a bank customer to bring his account to your bank. So like, I am not giving you any money, but then you will gain if you try to do that. But please try to find out whether you can get. I want you to go through this material. It contains only 10 pages. It tells about how you can answer about yourself, about your strengths. What are the words you can use about your strengths? Then various questions. What are your career goals? Like this is a very important material. Then you can also go through questions regarding personal. What are the personal questions that can be asked? What is your ambition? Why do you want to join bank? What are today's headlines? Likewise. And apart from that, this contains questions on banking, like special economic zone, LAF, FII, ECGC, etc. Then this also contains questions relating to computer science. This also is here. Then few expected personal questions. Then general other subject questions like Archimedes principle. Then half duple, full duple, difference between UPS and battery. So many things are given here. Then more important questions like, say, what is the meaning of your name? What are the hobbies and strength and weakness? What is today's headlines? How important is this interview? So this is a very, very important material. I would like Akshay Mogan to read. Samajh gaya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, you must go through this one. Then after that, what is more important? Everything else is important. For example, say 100 banking docs. 100 banking questions, simply just note down the answers. It will help you answer the questions easily. Okay. Yeah. Then after that, 200 important banking abbreviations. This is also important for you. Then what else? Banking economic abbreviations. Then this is a banking awareness guidely notes. Banking awareness guidely note. This is supposed to be updated, but there can be 1 or 2 things which have changed subsequently. So this one you can go through. You can go through this and know about Negotiable Instruments Act, bill of exchange, promissory note, check, types of crossing, demand draft, likewise loans and advances. Likewise, all these things are here. You can study this also. Then this one is handy notes on guidely. The earlier one was say 80 pages. This is only 29 pages. So under this is also about banking. You can go through this also. You study that. Then again, same banking is there, not required. So are you interested in commerce? You have studied commerce? No. You don't know commerce, no?
No, sir.
No. In MBA, you are doing only HR, no?
Yes, sir. HR and operations.
Operations. So it may not be required. Then economics you can read. This economics PDF, this material is good one. This material is good
Okay.
one, brief one. This one you can read. And also economics 2952. This is a bigger one, 54 pages. What is economics? What is theory of demand, concept of supply, theory of cost, factors of production, theory of production, returns to factor, Indian economy, national income, planning in India, agriculture, economics. We can read 500 pages material also, 50 pages material also. This is another economics PDF. Maybe both are same, I am not sure. Both, no, this is what I have already showed you, economics PDF. Yeah. This is Guidely Static GK. This tells about a static GK like a list of chief ministers, cabinet ministers, national parks, tiger reserve, wildlife sanctuaries, hydrothermal nuclear stations, important Indian cities, important dams, revolution, so many things. All static GK questions are given here. You can study that one. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
IDBI interviews. Some questions asked in previous IDBI interviews. Then this one is India book 2020, maybe outdated. Then India interview questions are the suggested interview question, then digital rupee. That's all. RBI digital rupee PDF. Because being engineering students, when you go for bank interviews, you must be thorough with cryptocurrency, digital currency, RBI digital rupee, these points and all, you must be thorough. Then neo banks, these things you must be thorough with. So this much is the assignment given to Mr. What is your name?
Akshay Mohan.
Akshay Mohan. Good. Good. Now we will come to our Soumya. Soumya, are you ready for asking questions to our Mr. Vyas? Vyas is biotechnology background.
Genetics.
Genetics background boy from Madurai. Come on.
Madurai.
Start. You can start the interview. I am giving for 5 minutes. If you can do it well, we can have it for a longer time also. Come on, continue, Soumya.
So yes, tell me, what do you mean by RBI and what are its subsidies?
RBI is a apex regulatory bank that controls the financial institutions in India. The main functions, some of the main functions of the RBI include, like, it has exclusive right to print currency and issue the currency. It maintains the money supply in the economy using through monetary policy committee, which through monetary policy tools like repo rate, reverse repo rate, CRR, SLR, those things. And it is a bankers to bank, and it is also bankers to bank to the government, and it is a resort of loss lender. It also manages forex reserve and regulates exchange rate fluctuations.
What are its subsidies?
Subsidiaries.
There are five subsidiaries of RBI. So the DICGC stands for Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. Reserve Bank Innovation Hub. Reserve Bank Information Technology, we call abbreviated as REBIT. And yes, sir. And it's called Indian Financial System and Research Institution. and the other one, Bharat Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited. These are five subsidiaries of RBI.
So tell me about the investments of Reserve means Karnataka Bank. Means how Karnataka Bank invests their means what are in the investment sections of Karnataka Bank?
You mean the portfolio of investment of Karnataka Bank?
No, I am asking that what are the investments options that are available in Karnataka Bank website?
In the investment options, like we can do, like we can have like investment option, like you mean RD or FD, that you're asking like that?
No, I am asking about the like mutual funds. Means
they offer mutual funds and
those things that are available in the website of Karnataka Bank in the investment section.
For the customers, what are the investment options our Karnataka Bank is offering?
Yes, sir. You can invest in mutual fund, in the gold bond. You can have investment in gold bond and gold monetizations. I don't think monetization will have, like I think only option you have is mutual fund only, sir. I'm not aware of.
No. I think now can you elaborate, Soumya, on this? What you have in mind?
So we can invest in mutual funds. We can invest in gold bond in Atal Pension Yojana. We can invest in national savings certificates. So in all of this, we can invest using Karnataka Bank websites.
National savings certificate cannot be done through Karnataka Bank. That is done at the post office, na?
Yes,
In one minute.
Do they like do service for like gold bond scheme? Do they have gold bond scheme?
No, 1 minute. I'm coming to it. Here, she is referring to this one. I'm showing it to you. I am going to Karnataka Bank website. And under that personal, she is asking about invest. Under invest, you have mutual. See, are you seeing on the screen?
Yes,
mutual funds, Atal Pension Yojana, National Pension System, Sovereign Gold Bond, then KBL Samriddhi. Actually, I have not done in detail about National Pension System and all that. Atal Pension Yojana, at least some of the points we have discussed. Mutual funds also we have discussed on many days, and sovereign gold bond also we discussed. But National Pension System we have not studied. Do you know about National Pension System, Soumya?
Sir, about National Pension System?
Yeah.
No, sir, I don't have much idea about it.
Yeah, we should.
The pension system which is followed in now in any organization is NPS only, sir.
Yeah.
So
now you can see on the screen. Ye note kar lijiye, Vyas. Under the NPS, individual savings are pooled into a pension fund, which are invested by PFRDA, Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority, regulated professional fund managers, as per the approved investment guidelines, into the diversified portfolios comprising of government bonds, bills, corporate debentures, and shares. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And what is the benefit of NPS? It is flexible. NPS offers a range of investment options and the choice of pension funds for planning the growth of the investments in a reasonable manner and monitor the growth of the pension corpus. Subscribers can switch over from one investment option to another or from one fund manager to another. Look, see, what is the difference in this is that, say, in the case of fixed deposit, what you are doing, you are seeing the rate of interest bank is offering. If you agree for that, you go and deposit that money in the bank and you will be getting interest every 3 months. You are assured of the rate of interest. This is one way. But this, pension schemes like what we had, you know what we did? We invested money into the pension fund of our bank. Our bank invests the money in its own way, whatever way it wants, and they are giving us pension as per agreed rates, industry-wise, banking industry-wise. Atal Pension Yojana is a scheme where it has got specified returns. If you want 1,000 rupees from your 60th year, if your age is now 30, you have to pay this much money every month. If you pay that from your 60th year, I will pay you, and after your death, I will pay your family 1,000 rupees. That is Atal Pension Yojana, where the pension is decided. This,
Yes,
this national pension scheme is one. They are very clever. See, they don't want to take the full responsibility on them. They do not want to take the full responsibility on them. Like they are not assuring you like what is happening in Pradhan Mantri Vayu Vandana deposit scheme, where everybody is assured of interest of 7.2%. They are not willing to assure like senior citizen 8 what is the percentage now? 8.2%. They don't want to assure that. They say you will get pension. What you do, every month you pay into NPS. You decide what are the investments you would like us to make from and out of that. From and out of whatever you are remitting, they will take some commission. And after taking commission, they are supposed to invest in schemes which you are asking. Example, if you say, I don't want to take risk, I want you to risk only in government securities, they will invest in that. If you say, I am prepared to take more risk, invest in equities, they will do it. Or a mixture of these two. So accordingly, they will invest and they will give you back pension depending on what has been accumulated in your account. It is not same pension for everybody in the same branch, same bank, no. Somebody may get more, somebody will get. If I choose to invest 60% in risky options and 40% in less risky options, and if the risky options fare very well, the prices are going very high, then I may get a very good return. But tell me, Soumya.
Sir, like this is the type of like a mutual fund where we take it is depend upon how much risk we take and that much we will
exactly. Mutual fund.
It is market linked.
Mutual fund, which it is market based. Mutual fund, what happens? You are investing a lump sum. You are telling them these are the investments you can make, and then that is what happened in my case. I invested 20,000. I said you invest in less risky options. Then after about 2-3 years, I got 12,000 rupees. So that's what happened. So similarly, you know, there is another option. Sometimes they ask this question. We ask, be ready for a question, SIP. What is SIP? Yes, systematic investment plan. In what way is it different from RD account? Please be ready for this question. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, and also in NPS amount for an employee of a bank, the employer also will pay some contribution equally to the employee.
That, sir. So that I'm not sure about that. Maybe.
Sir,
maybe. Yes. Bank will also pay some money. You will also pay some money. That's right.
Yes, sir. So you mean to say that they'll give choice to the employee that they can switch over from one investment plan to another investment plan?
Yes. And the advantage in this is you are now working in Karnataka Bank. You are going to switch over to, say, let us say Reserve Bank of India. Then you can take the same thing to that place also nowadays. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is what it is. Good. Very nice. Thank you, Soumya. Soumya?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You did a good job. You
Thank you.
really did a very good job.